In this short video, I want to introduce you to dynamic input. Us old dogs learned AutoCAD before dynamic input came, and it's hard for us old dogs to learn new tricks, but you might just fall in love with it and think it's the greatest thing. The dynamic input is controlled on the status bar button down here at the bottom of your screen. Click on the button. The tooltip says dynamic input. Again, it may not be visible. Go to the options of your status bar to make sure dynamic input is checked. Click on the dynamic input button once ensuring it's visible. Start the line command. Now notice I got these three white text boxes or text windows, you might say, on the cursor. The first one says specify point. The idea is that that first one replaces the command area at the bottom of your screen. The idea is that you rarely need to look down at the command area. In fact, some people turn the command area off because the most of the information that they need is right here on the dynamic input text window right on the cursor. It's asking for direct or to specify a first point. I'll specify a random point to begin, move in the direction I want to go slightly above or below. Let's go slightly above for now. The blued out window is where you type the distance that you want to go in that direction. Right now the cursor's at 27 away. I'll say 25. Don't hit enter. Then you'll go in the direction of the cursor. Instead, type tab. And AutoCAD's attention is now at that angle. Notice, take a look at the angle. It's how many degrees upward or counterclockwise from direct right. I'll say I want to go, say, 45, hit enter. Now AutoCAD has continued the line 15 degrees straight up, I'm sorry, in the 45 degree direction. Set your cursor somewhere down at the bottom or toward the bottom, more or less. Type the distance you want to go. I'll say 25, hit tab, type 90. Normally 90 degrees is straight up, but here with dynamic input you got to look at the angle to see whether it's straight up or straight down. So after typing the distance, tab, typing the angle as displayed on the screen, I'll hit enter and I've gone straight down. And again, maybe to the left. I want to go, say, 10 units, hit tab, 180. Now I'll go exactly 180 degrees from due right, or straight to the left, in other words. Hit enter. There's my line. Dynamic input also gives you another option of accessing the command options. Hit the down area on your keyboard and you got access to the available options. I'm clicking the up and down arrows now. When you've got the black spot where you want it, I'll say undo, hit enter, and that invoked the undo options. Again, hit the downward arrows up. Hit the downward arrow a couple of times and move the cursor, move that black dot to the option you want. Hit enter, and I'll close this line back where it began, just like we did a few videos ago. That's dynamic input. You may say greatest thing since sliced bread. I'm still getting the hang of it. See you next video.